In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a TopStep account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to topstep.com, which is TopStep's official website. From here, you'll need to go over here to earn funding to register for an account. You'll also have the option to log in if you already have an already existing account. From here, you'll need to add in email address. You'll need to choose a username and create a password. Down here, you'll need to add in a legal first name and legal last name, and you need to make sure that these legal names are in fact the one that stands on your ID, because TopStep will ask you eventually for verification. From here, you'll need to add a street address, a city and town, the state, zip code, and the country that you live in. From here, you'll need to click sign up for free. Then TopStep will send you an email address to verify that said email address. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. And now you'll need to create and buy a challenge or funded account. And to do that, you need to go up here to the right hand corner to start a trading combine. From here, you'll see this where you can get a 50k buying power, 100k buying power, and 150k buying power. From here, you need to select the one you want, and you can click select down here. From here, you can read about what it's gonna look like. You can see the prices, and down here you can see the trading combine account rebel agreement, and you'll need to read this. And then you'll need to click I read the rebel agreement, I acknowledge that unwarranted, and all of this. From here, you can add in a promo code if you have that. And down here, you'll need to add in your card number, expiration date, and CVV. From here, you'll also add in again your billing address. And from here, you'll need to click understand and then pay the money. From here, you'll get an email with your username that you can use on ViewTrade, Metadata, or any other app that you use to trade on. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!